In this video I'm going to show you how to download Gopro Quik app on iPhone and connect with Gopro. So this is Anis, welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to connect with Wi-Fi or mobile data. Better is connected to Wi-Fi. As you can see, I have Wi-Fi connections. Then go to App Store on your iPhone and you need to log in with iPhone account or iCloud account if you have Apple account. So then tap on search icon, searching for Gopro Quik. Then after that, as you can see, the result is Gopro Quik video editor, and tap on get. And if you are enabling face lock, face ID on downloading App Store apps, you need to double tap on power button and it's unlocking. Then it start downloading, so you have to wait few moments. About it take a few minutes. It depends on your internet speeds, but this app's size is only 257 megabyte. It's almost done downloading, so we have to wait few more seconds. So it's downloaded. Tap on open and it's opening. So make the most of your shorts. So it's a required account, but we are not going to give account or sign in accounts, so that's why we tap on continue as a guest. Tap on guest. Do you own a GoPro? Yes. So set up your GoPro now. Yes, we are going to set up GoPro camera. So yes, tap on. And would you like to use Bluetooth? Yes, we need to enable Bluetooth because we are connecting with GoPro. So okay, and Bluetooth is turn it off and just turn it on and allow just. So connect a GoPro, tap on, and after that you need to turn on GoPro. I'm using GoPro Hero 8 Black. Turn on your camera. So my camera is turned on GoPro. Select English and then agree. GPS on, and now it's saying install GoPro apps on your phone to finish setup. Yes. So connect camera. So it's pairing request camera pair it. Done. Then you can name it or just leave it, save name. So it's trying to connect with GoPro. So you can upload file on cloud. So I do later. Enable notifications, no thanks, and let's go. So as you can see, it's connected. Now I can control this camera from my iPhone, like if I press on or tap on this record button, and it will start recording on my GoPro. And if I tap on again and it stopped recording, and if I want to take photo, then tap on this and it take photo and it goes to photo mode. So it take photo easily. So you can use your smartphone or iPhone as a remote controller, or you can view the preview. Just tap on enable preview and it's connected to the Wi-Fi. So tap on join. So it's starting preview. So mobile data is turned up, turn on. Yes, turn on. So as you can see, my GoPro connected on this iPhone, so I can record directly from here. Just tap on record or tap to stop. So as you can see, and I can see the file from here. Just tap on here, and as you can see all my recorded file. Just that's it. So I can change from here standard or activity, lots of preset options for cinematic, for slow-mo. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.